G'day guys, and thanks for joining me on this episode of the N70 Hilux project. Now let's get into it. Not long after I got my car, in fact it was just after I put the dual battery system in, I bought some RGB rock lights to bang in this thing, and I recorded a whole lot of stuff for it, but I can't find the footage. It was months ago. So what I've done now is we bought a kit, an 8-light kit that's supposed to do a whole car, and there's no way to do a Hilux. There's no way to do any car really, maybe a smart car, but that'll be about it. The wires just aren't long enough. So I thought about extending the wires, but it was just cheaper to buy another set. So in the end, we've got 16 LED lights under this ute. Rock lights, party lights, whatever you want to call them. Are they practical? Kind of. Do they look cool? Are they Pimp My Ride? Yeah, they're definitely like Pimp My Ride. You sort of expect Exhibit or Mad Mike to be doing something similar, but anyway, we've chucked them on there. I'll show you some of the brackets I used. I pretty much just bought some brackets from Bunnings. I'll show you the ones and mounted them up. Most things are just zip tied in or tech screwed through bits of body mounts and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter. It's only an old mine ute, but I'll give you a quick look at the brackets and then we'll have a look at the car and where all the lights are mounted. Check this out. These are the brackets I ended up using. They're only about 90 cents each from Bunnings, so it's not really worth making your own. And they just tech screwed onto that. And then I've just zip tied these to the chassis or wherever else I can mount them. Also tech screwed a couple on just through like seams under the tub and places like that. Stuff that doesn't really matter. Obviously run the cords up as far as you can behind the chassis and places like that to try and stop them getting ripped off. That's the one through the tub seam there. Underneath, just wherever you can get them. I mean, they're cheap lights. I think the lights are going to burn out before the zip ties. I'm not 100% sure. So I've not been too concerned about getting them mounted up. But as you can see, the front ones have been on for about a month and they've taken some punishment. So hopefully the rest of them do. Now that the rears are on, I guess the only thing to do is give them a try off-road as well. Right, so as you've seen, the RGB eBay spec rock lights seem to hold up pretty well to a little bit of punishment I put them through last night. So that's good to see. So there's 16 of them on the car, like I said. I think they came in around 110, 111 bucks. I'll chuck it up in the thumbnail exactly what it was, but yeah, pretty good value for money, I'd say. And I mean, they would help you out if you were crawling and stuck and wanted to see what was jammed up onto your car. That's obviously their purpose, but mostly nowadays they just used a little bit like that. Anyway, if you want some, check them out. If not, hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys, catch yous.